All right, let's smash a symbol. Symbol's a Wordle game that gives you these shapes to tell you about where the words go, where the letters go in the word. Cool. So one of these shapes is going to mean that the letter is not in the word. One of these shapes is going to mean that the letter is in the right place in the word. And then the last shape is going to be a little more confusing because it's going to tell us that we have the letter from that place in the answer, but it's in the wrong place. So it's kind of like yellow from Wordle when you get a yellow letter, but it's a little different because it's talking about the answer rather than your guess. This letter can't be in the right place because we have two different letters here. D and U can't both be in the right place, so this green star is probably that yellow thing that I was talking about, where we have the second letter from the answer, but it's in the wrong place right now. The purple thing must be telling us that we have an E in the right place because E only appears once, and we have two shapes from the top word, and we don't have two shapes from the second word, so it must be the E because that's the only letter that only appears in the top word. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe go an A-E-R word, something like that. Taper, I think, looks really good. So I'm assuming we have the A, and that's going to be the green star. We're moving that into the second spot, and then the E is in the right place. The rest of these are new consonants. Okay, so now we have the first letter, but it's in the wrong place. A is not going to be in the word. E still is. It's not an ER word, which is honestly pretty relieving. But I'm going to have to pick a different vowel, I would think. And it can't be U or D that's going to go in the second spot. So I'm thinking I think I is actually forced maybe at this point. I think I want to put the P out front. I'm going to assume the P. It could be the R as well. Risen actually looks really good. Yeah, so I'm moving the R to the front, treating that like that's our letter we have in the wrong place. The E still has to stay there. We're trying that I in the second spot. I was feeling pretty good about risen. So it is I-E. I was right about that. And now we have the third letter, which I think has to be the N. R was the wrong letter, so I think it has to be P-I-N-E. I think that's the only way this could work. P-I-N-E. I don't know what to do with this. I might just put pines just to... I think this has to be the structure. Is this a word? I don't know what this word is. I'm going to go pines just to make sure I'm right about the structure, honestly. I am. Okay, so that last letter, what is... Oh, piney with a Y. I don't know why. I just could not arrive at Y there, but that's the word, dude. It's got to be, right? Okay, we're piney, dude. That's a symbol. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.